Okay, so question lang Are you willing to be involved in a fake marriage kind of relationship para lang manalo ng malaking premyo? It's something to ponder on. Ponder on! Okay, ito no joke. So after watching the very first episode of this newest K-drama on Disney Plus, it's called Would You Marry Me? Starring Choi Woo-sik and Jung So-min. Yun kasi yung premise no, na parang So-min's character is like a struggling designer who just had a broken engagement din. So, di ba, parang lahat na ata pinagdaanan ni girl. And then, syempre may mga twists and turns talaga ang life. Nanalo siya ng malaking papremyo. I think a luxurious house tayo sa isang newlywed home lottery. If you haven't watched the first episode yet, you have to look forward to the confrontation scene between Jung So-min and her fiancé or ex-fiancé na that time. Kasi nakakagigil talaga. So, just when she thought siguro na talaga, oh my God, I think, this is the moment for me. I'm gonna have a new house. May twist yung pagkapanalo niya. Kailangan, married siya when she gets the prize. Or for her to be able to get the prize. So, humingi siya ng help dito sa character ni Choi Woo-sik, which is heir naman to si Choi Woo-sik ng South Korea's oldest bakery. Ay! First episode pa lang naman. So, marami pang exciting and kilig moments between the two of them in the coming eps. But yun nga, we just wanna ask you, will you be in a fake marriage basta makuha niyo yung papremyo nyo? And, most important question, tingin niyo ba mai-inlove kayo with that person or hindi?